When deciding what to do with that leftover Thanksgiving turkey or chicken, a pot pie is always a delicious option. I'm using 2 cups of diced chicken, 2 medium potatoes diced, cooked until fork tender and drained, 1/2 stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons, 1/4 cup of onion, 1/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of milk combined, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, 1 cup of carrots, 1/2 cup of celery, and 2 pie crusts, 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and butter a 9 to 10 inch pie plate. You'll go ahead and melt your butter on low heat because it does burn easily, so make sure it's on low heat. Put your 1/4 cup of onion in there and saute until the onion is translucent and tender. Then go ahead and add your salt and all of your other spices and just stir that in well. Then you'll want to add your flour. Stir that well, at least for a minute, maybe a minute and a half. You can turn your heat up now and add your liquid. When that begins to boil, you'll want to add your potatoes, carrots, celery, and chicken. Continue to stir and mix that real well until it becomes a thick consistency. That'll only take a couple minutes. Then you can remove that from the heat and go ahead and roll out your pie crust, as you'll see here. Place that in your pan. Take a fork and prick the pie crust so that it doesn't rise up and cause any bubbles. Fill it with all of your turkey or chicken mixture. And then take your other pie crust, do the same. Roll it out a little bit, put it on the top of the mixture, and then cut some slits in it. That's for the steam to escape. Once you do that, you can crimp the edges however you like. And then put it in your preheated oven. Place the pie plate on a cookie sheet. Put it in your preheated oven, and then you're going to bake that for approximately 40 minutes. Really depends on your oven. I think I did forget to mention to put your egg wash over the top of that. It just makes for a prettier crust and it browns well. So check it after 40 minutes. If it's a golden brown or to your liking, go ahead and remove it from the oven. Let it sit there and cool. If you plan on eating it right away, let it cool for, I don't know, 15 minutes at least. I'm going to freeze this one, so I'm not going to cut it, but it is delicious and it looks great. So I hope you give this a try. Enjoy.